Yes, hello. So let me take you through the system. Um, there are apps built around this system, but this video is basically about the system in its own right. But we have phone apps, that is iPhone app. We have Android phone app. Then we also have the laptop and desktop app. Um, Maybe for the laptop and desktop app, it has a feature whereby if the system is opening through that app, the user cannot open other windows to read or cheat. That is the desktop and laptop app. So let's dive in. Um, this is the admin side. We are now first logging in as admin. My admin is that email. I already entered it, so it comes on its own. Probably if it's fresh, you are a fresh user, you just have to enter everything fresh. So I enter the admin password, and there you go, that is on the dashboard. This is where the admin posts notifications. These notifications can be to all, or if we have any courses here, we have not yet registered courses, you would select a course so that that notification will be viewed by people in that entire course. So this is for notifications. And if there's a new notification, you will see a red dot around there for all users. It's the notification board. You can call it an e-notes board. So then here we have settings. You can change the username, the email, and so on, and you save changes. This photo, you can use any photo that is 5 MBs, 5 megabytes, not more than 5 megabytes. That means before you upload it, or you change the profile photo, you have to make sure you crop it somewhere separately to the size of 5 MBs, and you can upload it. Okay, so we go back to the dashboard now. The admin dashboard has three parts. Now this is the statistics or the analytics part. You can see the average score here, the success rate, and the failure rate. The worst performed unit will be shown here, where you have two ticks. Then down here you will see a pie chart of passed and failed. Then to the right you will see the statistics of gender, of male versus female. Then right here you have that middle part. It is the structure management part. The other upper part we've seen is statistics and analytics. Here it's the structure management. So here you have the number of users. This sync button is like a reload. You always have to click it to see the latest. Always. But the number of users, they enroll themselves, we shall see. Total courses, you can add new courses here, and so on and so forth. Then here you create a link. If there are courses, you've added courses, you select a course and select like teacher and create a link for them. If you are creating a link for students, you also select students, the course that they want to enroll to, and you create a link for them. Then after you share that link, we are going to go through, but we are still touring. Then down here, if you have several schools that are participating, you will see their performance in relation here. Then there we leave the structure management part. Then down here we have the data or information management part. Here we have the courses, all the running courses. Here we have the outdated courses archived. You archive the courses, we shall see, and so on. Here down, then you have the banned users. You can ban some users, you as the super user. So then here you add schools that are meant to participate in this on this platform, so that's where you add them. Now let's start adding some information. So let's add a course. I have already been using some courses. They are already coming here, but you can say if you've not used any courses, you have to type everything fresh. So me, I'm just selecting, and the manager is the current manager. That is the admin. That is 8. I say launch course. So I launch this course. It starts with a course. Then after, when I launch that course, down here, you will see that course. It's managed by the admin. This is the admin. Here you can archive the course. Here, the admin can add course units into that course there. But because the admin is just doing oversight work, they will hand over management of this course to maybe what you call head of department, or if it's the department becomes a faculty, head of faculty, or if it becomes a school, head of school, kind of, but that particular course. Let's get in and add some course units. Here you can add course units. You can add course units. Let's say that course, let me add computer applications. You type it. When you add a course unit, it's semester 1. Then here you can share the course unit introductory video to get members in the mode, or probably a roadmap. You can share the link from your YouTube restricted channel where it's members only, or if it's public still, just share the link. So let me get a YouTube video. Here you go to YouTube, you share, you copy and paste that video. So this is just an intro. So I paste that link there. Students and whoever will be seeing it. So it's now the admin creating this unit. But the role of creating these units is not for the admin, because there will be so many course units. We will see how to hand over the administration of courses to users. But because we currently have no users, no other users, well, the admin can do that. Then when you go back here, you can see the unit that you created. So let me go back to the dashboard. Then you put some schools that are going to participate. You come here to add new. You type the name of the school. Then you type its location and you click save. So you see you can even delete them here and so on. So here we've seen you can view the course and add more units, and here you can archive it. Let's archive this course. So it goes to the archives. You can restore it and it comes back this side to courses. That's it. Okay, so let's put some users. How do you put users? Users enroll themselves. You come, you select a course. Now it's one course that we added. Let's start with the teacher. Now you create a link. This link is going to be for teachers that are doing information technology. So you copy the link, you send it in their group. Because this is a pre-existing course, they are already studying that or teaching that. It's blended learning. It's just extending what people are already doing in the physical environment. It's a learning management system, but blended. So some of the advantages are already documented. So we don't have to really go again through that. So let's just do the practical part. So they open their browser and paste that link in the URL part. It can be a phone, it can be a laptop, desktop, anywhere. So they just paste the link and they are there ready to register. So here the course, the link brings you to a course. To avoid people meandering in courses they are not supposed to do, so here you select the school, you type the name of the user, Then you select the gender, then their date of birth, then their email that they want to register with to the system. Then they put a password not less than 6 characters, and off they register into the system. So you see, they just go straight. So they have enrolled, but you see, they don't have any other managerial functions. They cannot add courses the way the admin was doing. So let the admin offload some of that work to this teacher. But you can have normal teachers. Now currently this one is a normal teacher. They can also view notifications. They can also change their settings and password. And these are the course units. There's only one course unit added by the admin. They can go back to courses. This is the course. Let me show you. The teacher and admin can post. Maybe they are saying, well, thank you, welcome to the course. So they can be a broadcast message to all users or to only people of the teacher's department. If it's the admin, they can send to each department individually, but they also can broadcast the message. The admin won't see messages that are targeted for a specific faculty, though the admin can also send to a specific faculty. So let it be all. When is it expiring? It will disappear, let's say on 31st. What is it about? Maybe it's a deadline, it's other. Let me say if it's deadline. So you save, and that message goes there. So whoever is in that portal here, while they are clicking around doing other things, doing this and that, the red dot will always show that there's something for you. So they come. So you've seen that also in action. Anyway, so let's also add a student to this course. They come, IT, yeah, learner. You create a link, you send it in their group because they are already pre-existing students. You're just creating a platform to help them on that frontier, the online frontier. There are advantages like force multiplier. If I'm one teacher, I can attend to 100,000 students here. I put the content, I'm attending to them, I teach them, I respond, I look at their exams just in one place. So it's a one-stop place. It has so many other advantages as stated in the documentation. So there are so many other advantages, like during the pandemic, so this kind of a blended learning approach is suitable in scenarios, so many other scenarios. It's like an extension of the physical learning environment onto the online platform arena. Okay, so that's it for the admin. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.